Hi dear students, now we will see the next practical, that is practical number 3, which is assembly and dismantling of boiler mountings. In this practical we have the significance of it, as boiler mountings are compulsory parts of boiler as per Indian Boiler Act 1923. Boilers cannot function without mountings. Safe operations of boilers depends on use of mountings. There are two types of mountings, which are control mountings and safety mountings. Relevant program outcomes: PO2 discipline knowledge. Apply mechanical engineering knowledge to solve the broad-based mechanical engineering related problems. PO3 experiments and practices. Plan to perform experiments and practices to use the results to solve broad-based mechanical engineering related problems. PO8 individual and teamwork. Function effectively as a leader and team member in diverse or multidisciplinary teams. Relevant course outcomes: use relevant steam boilers. Practical outcome: assembly and dismantling of boiler mountings. Here we have the minimum theoretical background, as different mountings of boilers mainly include safety mountings like safety valve, water level indicator, fusible plug, pressure gauge, and control mountings like feed check valve, steam stop valve, and blow off cock. Maintenance of these boiler mountings is important for safe working of boilers. Now we have a setup of model spring loaded safety valve. This valve consists of valve seat, casing, coiled spring, threaded bushing, lever, hood, and quarter pin. Now we will see the actual spring loaded safety valve. Boiler mountings are the compulsory parts of the boiler, and these are used for the safety purpose. Now, one boiler mounting is the spring loaded safety valve. Its construction is like this. The steam enters from this pipe. It branches into two pipes. When the pressure of the steam exceeds the limit, which is beyond safety, this valve will get open, and after some time the exceed steam will move outside from this gap. After some time, when the limit is under control, this valve will get shut down and the steam will be in the boiler. Now see the diagram of boiler stop valve. We can call it as steam stop valve. It consists of rising hand wheel, indicator, material used is cast steel. Now actual working of this valve can be seen by seeing the model of this. Next is the lever safety valve. This valve can be operated manually. Here it is the lever. With pressing this lever upward, we can get the gap and the steam will move outside from the gap, and after we have to shut down it, the gap will be closed and the flow of the steam will be closed. Now we can see the observations and calculation as follows. First is serial number, next mounting, location and function, parts of the given mounting, maintenance issues located. Now first one, feed check valve. Now the function, sear, location after feed pump and before boiler. Function is to control the supply of water to the boiler and prevents the backflow. Parts of the given mountings are hand wheel, spindle and the gland. Maintenance issues located, we located some issues, so we have written there as yes, yes, yes. Now second, fusible plug. The location of fusible plug is on the firebox crown plate or over the combustion chamber. Function is to put off the fire in the furnace, that is to shut down that fire. Parts were gunmetal, body fuser, metal plate. Some issues were located, so we have written as yes, yes and yes. Third is the pressure gauge. Pressure gauge is located on the mount. Pressure gauge is mounted on the front top of the shell or drum. Its function is to measure the pressure of steam inside the boiler. The parts were pointer, pinion and the link. Some issues were located, so we have written as yes. Results are, we came to know about boiler mountings, which are control mountings and safety mountings. That is, some are used for control and some are used for safety purposes. Interpretation of result was, we came to know about location and function of mountings. Conclusion is, mountings are necessary and essential for operation and safety of the boiler. Thank you.